everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another product review. I like to do my skincare product reviews with a naked face because hell, that's how you can see, how my skin is doing, or the things that I'm using, if they're going well for me or not. So today we're going to talk about a cleanser this time. I've been using a lot of skincare stuff, and I'm trying to give you guys my feedback. So today it's going to be the Clinique Foaming Sonic Facial Soap that we're talking about. Now, funny story. I don't like foaming soaps for cleansers. Foaming soaps are a big no-no for me. I tried the Ole Henriksen Red Tea Foaming Face Wash and I hated it. It was too drying and it was too stripping. That's because it's got sodium sulfate in it. Usually foaming soaps, when it comes to body or face, they have a sulfate in them, because a sodium sulfate in them, because that's what creates the foaming aspect of the product. So personally, for me, I'm not a fan. Now, when I first picked this up, I was a little bit hesitant because it had foaming in the name of the product. And I have to say that it completely made a huge impression on me when I tried it, and I've been using it ever since. I bought 2 of them at a sale. They were 10 bucks each. I think they normally go for like $20-$25 a piece. So when I found them on sale, I picked 2 of them up, and I was risking it, because I mean, if I didn't like them, then I would be stuck with 2 bottles full. But I did pay $10 a piece for these, and you get 5 fluid ounces. Comes in a squeezy tube, which I like. I like my squeezy tubes, you guys. When it comes to skincare, there's nothing better than a squeezy tube or a pump to keep the product from being contaminated or cross-contaminated with germs and stuff. If you've been here for a while on my channel, you know I'm a germaphobe. So anyways, the Foaming Sonic Facial Soap. Now, I have to say, this is not really foaming per se. I don't even know why they called it foaming, to be honest. Like, it can foam up, but it's not like foaming up in a drying type of way. The ingredients on here are pretty good, and I'm actually really happy that there is a sodium hyaluronate in here, which is hyaluronic acid. And there's also glycerin in here as well. There's also lauric acid, stearic acid. There's also caffeine, which actually is pretty cool, because caffeine will just brighten your face up. So Clinique is a really good brand overall, because they deal with more like clinical skincare products. It's fragrance free, 100% fragrance free. There is no fragrance to this whatsoever. So what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you guys on my hand the type of consistency this is. So this is a cream. I think it's a cream product. Like, it's a cream cleanser. When you rub it on your skin, you see that it's creamy. It's very creamy and it's hydrating. That's what I like about this product. It will clean my face without it stripping my face. When you use a little bit of water with this, it doesn't really get sudsy, but it gets like, it doesn't even get that foamy. It just kind of, I don't even like to use the word foam, but it has this tiny bit of foaminess to it, very, very little, very unnoticeable. When I use this with my scrubby pad or my Clarisonic, it's not very much foaming, but it does deep clean, which I like. And then when I rinse this off, my skin feels very hydrated, very soft, very hydrated and clean. Yeah, there's definitely no scent to this, and that's what I like about it as well. It definitely has no fragrance, so there's no added, there's really no added, not tenderness to your skin. What is the word I'm looking for, you guys? I'm really sorry. It's the end of the day and I'm like struggling with my words. There's no added irritation. So, I mean, my skin is just left feeling really soft and supple, and it just is a beautiful cleanser. For the amount of money that I paid for each one, it's totally worth it. I think even paying full price is worth it. You get so much product that you only need a tiny bit. What I showed you on my hand is what the amount I would use for my entire face every night. So this is gonna last a long time. So even if you do end up spending $20 on it, it's still gonna last you a while for you to, you know, run through it, because it's 5 fluid ounces, and because it's such a rich product, you don't really need to use a lot of it. Clinique, thumbs up. I really do love this. I am really impressed with it. This is probably, no, this is the only foaming face wash that I'll use that does not affect or dry out my skin. It does say that it is dermatologist developed, allergy tested, 100% fragrance free. It is oil free, creamy foaming facial soap created for sonic cleansing. Gently yet thoroughly removes dirt, excess oil, and impurities to reveal smoother, clearer skin. Leaves skin feeling soft and comfortable, oil free. So I agree with all that. If you guys are trying to find a cleanser that does not dry your skin out, leaves you hydrated, check this guy out, because Clinique is really good when it comes to their clinical skincare. It's just amazing. I just find anything that I've used from them already, when it comes to skincare, I have not had a major issue with. My skin has not reacted badly to it, and I think it's worth it. I think that the prices of Clinique's products are more on the more affordable range of the high-end scale. So you're not like, you know, dishing out an arm and a leg per se. It's still in the high-end range, you know, scale, but it's more on the lower part of that scale. So you can, you know, it's definitely affordable in that sense. You're not having to dish out $100 just for a cleanser, if you guys know what I mean. So yes, thumbs up. I would repurchase. I think this is great for those of you who don't want any garbage in your skincare. You want just simple stuff. This is a great simple product, and I do love it. I would repurchase, and I'm glad I picked up 2, because now I have 2. One is sitting in my bathroom sink, and this one I usually use as my backup if I'm traveling for the weekend. If I'm going away overnight somewhere, I will take my backup with me, because this just works well with my skin, and my skin can be semi-sensitive. I can get really sensitive right around here. When a product does not work with me, the first thing I will notice is it will react right in my hormonal section, and that's when I know that it's definitely a no-go. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to try a sample of this, definitely go to your local Sephora and ask for a sample. They are more than happy to give you a sample, and let me know what you think of it, because I would love to hear all you guys and what you thought of it if you haven't tried it already. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.